Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today's gonna be a different type of video because I am going to be trying a new look, y'all. I have never worn a wig a day in my life, but you know, recently my hair's been going through a lot of changes and I want it to go back. So I felt like, I've I read some articles and I've seen things on the media that said that if, you keep your hair moisturized under a wig, it will, grow back and get stronger and healthy. But that's beside the point. Like, I honestly, Kiki, what are you doing? Like, I honestly really wanted to start wearing wigs because, for one, it's like you don't have to mess up your natural hair in any way, shape, or form. Like, if you want to try out a pink hairstyle or try out a silver hairstyle, you don't have to physically mess your hair up to do that. You can just throw a wig on and call it a day, like, really. So I really wanted to start wearing wigs because I feel like it'll be a different look on me. Like, I feel like I just look different in a good way because all my life I just wore my natural hair. Not that that's a bad thing, that's a good thing, obviously, but I just want to change it up. Like, I really want to change it up and start wearing wigs. So in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all me attempting to install a wig for the very first time. And y'all, I am not a professional. Like I said, I never wore a wig a day in my life. So I'm going to be 100% as a beginner attempting to apply a wig for the very first time. So let me show y'all the wig. As you can see, my cat's all over it being nosy. But anyway, say hi to the camera, Kiki. Kiki, come here, girl. Say hi. Yeah, she doesn't want nothing to do with anything today, but you know, she's just gonna be in the mix because she's been up my ass all day. Literally, she has not left my side. Like, I've been in bed since like 11 in the morning. I woke up at 11 in the morning. She came, jumped on my bed. She hasn't left my side since. And she's still in my bed, like, up my ass. But it's okay. I love her. But I'm going to show y'all the wig. This wig is by Nadula Hair. And this is not sponsored, although I wish it was. But this is from Nadula Hair. I only got a small wig. I only got like a short wig because I didn't want to waste my money. You know how like wigs, like, you know, the longer it is, the more expensive. So I got a 14-inch wig. So it comes with a headband. They just threw in a headband for me. So I got this little cute headband. And then what else? And then this is the wig here. So it's supposed to be 1B. You know, the shade is supposed to be 1B. And y'all, please excuse me, like, I have no idea what I'm talking about when it comes to wigs. But like I said, the color of the wig is supposed to be 1B. And this is more of a brown. 1B is like black, and I feel like 1B is my natural hair color, but this is more of like a brunette, like a very, very dark brown, which is cool, I guess. And it has like these gold like highlights in it, these like strands of gold highlights. I'm not sure what that's about, but this is definitely not 1B. But I'm gonna still attempt to put it on. Y'all, it's really pretty. Like, I already like tried it on without having it officially laid, and I, you know, visioning myself with the wig on, I feel like it's gonna be really pretty. But they say in order to get like a more natural look, you have to bleach the knots. And I guess the knots are like, I don't know if y'all can tell, but oh my god, I suck at this. But I guess the knots are, you know, those dots right there, like the knots where they like weave in the hair, those are showing. So in order for it to be natural, you have to bleach the knots. So Lord have mercy. So I've been doing a lot of research when it comes to wigs. I, you know, bought a lot of essentials for installing wigs. So y'all, to bleach the knots, I got this BW2 powder dedusted extra strength powder lightener. I also got the Clairol Professional Pure White Developer, and this is the 40 developer. no idea what I'm talking about, but I was watching a whole lot of YouTube videos to see how to bleach the knots. So I guess you're supposed to mix these two together and make a mixture to apply to the lace, just to let you know, get rid of those knots that are visible. We want to make those disappear, I guess. So before we get into this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. That way you're notified every single time your girl uploads. And that's basically everything. Let's just get into this, shall we? Alright y'all, so I have the wig right here. As you can see, it's on this mannequin head. I don't got the bougie one yet. I'm gonna put a picture up right here what I'm talking about. I got a styrofoam one, but as you can see, or try to see, there's like the knots right here. I'm gonna try and bleach that out so it's more natural. Let me go to the bathroom and set this stuff up so I can get this done, because I'm trying to put this on my head. Alright y'all, so they say that if you spray some Got2b spray on the lace, it creates like a barrier for the bleach to not seep in through the actual like hair. So it doesn't actually bleach the hair, but it just bleaches the knot, if that makes sense. So I'm gonna just go by what they say. I'm literally just going by YouTube tutorials, y'all. Let's spray a little bit on here. And they say like just wait for it to harden up so it can actually work. And I'm gonna spray another layer onto it just to make sure it's like completely like a barrier to the wig. Okay, so now that that's dry, I'm going to take the, what's it called? I'm gonna take the powder lightener. This is the BW2. Can y'all see? Yeah, so I'm just gonna take you know, 2 scoops of this, put it in a bowl, and then I'm going to put the developer, the 40 developer, and mix the two together to make like a pasty mixture, if that makes sense. So let me put 2 scoops of this in a bowl. So 1, 2. Damn, that stuff makes me sneeze. No. Excuse me. That stuff makes me sneeze. But let me tone this lighting down a little bit so y'all can actually see. But yeah, so that is what the powder looks like in there. So I put 2 scoops in because that's what they said, you know. I'm really going off of YouTube tutorials. That's what they said, you know, is a good enough amount. But next up, I'm gonna pour some of this in here as well. Pour a little bit to start with. I don't want to put too much, I guess. I don't know. Like, start mixing it in. I don't want to do too much. Okay, so I think this is good enough. This is like a pasty mixture. So I'm gonna start applying that to the hair. All right. Okay, so I think I did it. So I'm gonna actually go downstairs real quick and get some aluminum foil and put it on the hair for like 20 to 30 minutes and come back and take it off, and hopefully by then the bleaching should be done, and I'm gonna wash it off and you know, shampoo it so that it's nice and silky and all that stuff. Oh my god, what am I saying? All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so I just put the foil on it, so I'm gonna be back in like 15-20 minutes and check on it to see if it's, you know, bleached enough. And if it is, I'm going to go ahead and wash it out and go from there. Okay, so I just took the foil off, so I'm going to go ahead and you know, rinse this bleach out because I think it's done. I mean, if you look, it looks like they're like a bronzy color. The knots aren't black, but they're bronze. So I'm gonna take these pins out. If you wanna come out, come on. I'm gonna take this purple shampoo, and apparently this is supposed to be like toning out the bronziness in the wig. So I'm gonna just rinse this out. So I'm gonna take some of this and I'm gonna just put it over the lace and scrub it on the lace so it can like remove that bronziness that's on it. I have no idea what I'm doing. I low-key f***ed up because look at this. It's like the roots have like blonde on them. So I like high-key f***ed up on that, but I'm gonna try to like pluck a lot of it out so it's not so noticeable. Yo, chill. What you doing?
You already know the vibes, man. Right on it. Yo, chill. I like my wig. I love it. This is my wig. New wigs coming soon. I'm telling you, new wigs coming soon. This is just the start, but new wigs coming soon.
Get your raggedy ass out. Alright, y'all, so I'm back with the wig and it's like somewhat dry. I'm gonna just comb it back. If y'all are experts at wigs, please drop down some pointers in the description because I'm gonna definitely need them. I look hit. I'm gonna start the installation of my wig. I'm gonna take the Got To Be Glue Invincible Styling Gel, and I got, you know, these like stray hairs. I gotta like comb those back so that when I put the wig cap on, it's not so like the stray hairs aren't like peeking through. I'm aware that my forehead is hella big, so don't mind that. But I'm gonna take this edge brush and some of the gel. I'm just gonna comb my edges back. I got this whole pack of wig caps, and I'm gonna take one of them and just put it on my head. Now I look like the alien from American Dad. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I can't take myself serious. Yo, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing. So I'm taking the Got To Be Glue Freeze Spray, and I'm just spraying it closely to my hairline, I guess. So I gotta like do it like this and like tap it in so it can actually like seep into my wig cap. So I'm just following a tutorial this whole time, to be honest. I do not know what I'm doing. I really don't. Apparently I have to blow dry the wig cap so that it can, you know, dry down to my head so I can cut it off and it's not gonna like peel back. So I'm gonna plug this in and I guess blow dry the wig cap on here. And they said do this for 2 minutes. So I'm gonna just do this for 2 more minutes. So I gotta cut like slots for my ears so that my ears can like come through. So I'm gonna just I'm following what the lady did on YouTube, so she just went in the middle and started cutting it, and then she like started going to the side. Alright y'all, so I have an eyebrow razor because I feel like this is gonna work better. I'm gonna just like cut the lace, not the lace, I'm gonna cut the wig cap. I'm gonna take the Black Radiance contour palette, and this is just the medium to dark palette. I'm gonna take that middle shade right there, and I'm gonna apply that all over my wig cap.
Isn't that jump hot or something?
Yeah, it's supposed to be. Wanna feel it? I'm gonna officially like glue the wig down, and don't worry, it looks crazy, but I'm gonna actually straighten it with my straightener because the body wave part of it completely like faded out. I don't know what happened, but it's like more straight. So I'm gonna get my flat iron and actually straighten this down because I don't like how it looks right now, but I feel more comfortable like having it like flat, straight. So I'm gonna do that. Right now I have my hot comb because I want to have a side part. I don't want a middle part because I feel like a middle part doesn't look good on me. So I'm trying my best to like achieve a side part so it's more like noticeable. But yeah, I'm trying my best. I'm gonna take the Ghost Bond glue and I'm going to just apply that all over the hairline of the lace. And I don't know if I'm supposed to blow dry that or what. Hold up.
First of all, I was on her side. But you said you was gonna try to get shit out of her.
This is pulling my eyebrow up. Like, what the hell? Yeah, I have no idea what the hell I'm doing.